Hello, welcome back, my dear student. For database testing, we can use Factory. I needed eloquent models and past lecture. I say what is eloquent model. When testing, you may need to insert a few records into your database before execution your test instead of manually, especially the value each column when you create this test data. First, I close all and open database directory and factories and user factory. Okay, I create new factory. Close article, see there, and clear and PHP artisan and run. Okay, and in make and factory, I use make factory, create a new model factory, and PHP artisan make and factory. Okay, make factory for article and name article factory. Okay, press enter and create factory successfully added this way. Protected model article, if click in control press and click in article, open model article, and in this we can use data for article. I open article, title slug body, and we can use CDR data or I use this and paste here. Okay, and for name dollar, I use of dollar this and use faker, clear dollar and faker name. Okay, title text 20. Okay, I use text 20 for title, limit 20 character, and use this slug, use 10 character for this, and clear this and use for body this faker text and 70 character, and I run PHP factory. Okay, I defined this factory and we can use any way. I use in in index page. Open index page. If we open index page, we use in this here, and I use factory, and verify factory and article factory. Okay, and class where character 20 and create and create. Okay, and close. I refresh homepage and error fact. In Laravel 7 I use this for create, and in Laravel 8 I use this article and factory method for and count 20 and make for create and comment and refresh homepage. Homepage load, and if open article, this is not created. Why not created? I open a model article and use has factory. I use DD for articles $art and DD $art and refresh this and see 20 data. Okay, I see 20 data, and if refresh I run I use make. I use create for create data in database. Delete DD and return view. Refresh and open home and run, and if refresh Udemy Laravel, create 20 and 25 in slug limit 10 and title limit 20 and this body limit 70. I use factory in anyway, and we can use for example user factory, and we can create new user for testing database. Okay, we can use Tinker for create data in Laravel. Tinker, artisan Tinker. Find Tinker in the Tinker. In this, in your application, I run PHP artisan Tinker and see. I clear here, clear, and PSY shell and PHP artisan Tinker. We can say in factory and run this code. Run article factory and count 40 and create. Okay, and close. Error article not found. Why article not found? Because use article without namespace. App models article. Okay, it is work, and if refresh article 20 plus 40 60. Okay, added data and I see all data added.